Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by acting fast. Separate whites and confirm fabric care labels so you avoid damage. Fill a basin or sink with about 4 liters of warm water, then dissolve 1 cup baking soda and 1/2 cup oxygen-based bleach. This raises pH and lifts grime safely. Gently submerge garments and press them down to saturate fibers. Once done, let them soak for 1 to 3 hours, depending on soil level. This gives the agents time to loosen embedded dirt without harsh bleaching. Once soaked, you need to work the solution into the fabric. Lift and swish each piece for 2 to 3 minutes to dislodge loosened soils and revive fibers. Then drain and rinse with cool water, squeezing gently rather than wringing to avoid stretching. Make sure to check under strong light for any remaining discoloration. If yellowing persists, repeat a shorter soak, no more than 2 additional cycles, to avoid overprocessing. You're balancing mechanical action with chemical time to restore brightness safely. Finally, wash your whites in the machine on a warm cycle using your usual detergent, and add 1/2 cup white vinegar to help neutralize residues and brighten fibers. Make sure to air dry in sunlight when possible. UV light further breaks down organic stains and enhances whiteness. If a stubborn spot survives, perform a small spot test with hydrogen peroxide on an inconspicuous seam. If safe, apply briefly and rinse. If any fabric reacts poorly, stop and consult the care label to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.